Hi everyone, welcome to Study with Akshay. And in this video, we will be doing data types in Java. So before getting started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get regular notification. Let's get started. Data type in Java. Data types specify the different size and values that can be stored in a variable. There are two types of data types in Java. Primitive data type. Primitive includes Boolean, character, byte, short, int, log, float, double. Non-primitive data type. The non-primitive data type includes class, interface, arrays, etc. Coming to the list of Java primitive data type. In Java language, primitive data types are building blocks of data manipulation. These are the most basic data types available in Java language. Java is statistically typed programming language. It means all variables must be declared before its usage. That is why we need to declare the variable type and name. There are 8 types of primitive data types. They are Boolean data type, byte data type, character data type. Please don't pronounce it as char, it's character data type, short data type, int data type, long data type, float data type, and double data type. Now there is a clear picture under where and how it is further classified in the right side of the screen. This is how it is classified. Next, moving ahead further with what are different types of data types, we know now. How much is its size, default size, and what is the default value stored in it. So over here, there is no animations or any of those sorts. So here, Boolean, default value of Boolean will be false. It occupies 1 bit. It's not 1 byte, it occupies 1 bit. Character, the default value is unique character, or it's also called as Unicode character, and it occupies 2 bytes of memory. Next, coming to byte. Byte, its default value is 0, it occupies 1 byte. Short, its default value is 0 and it occupies 2 bytes. Int as a default value of 0 and occupies 4 bytes. Log as a default value of 0 and occupies 8 bytes. Float as default value of 0.0f and occupies 4 bytes. Double as a default value of 0.0t and occupies 8 bytes. So long and double are used for high level calculations. Now we will look forward with each data types with an example. Boolean data type. So the Boolean data type is used to store only 2 possible values, true or false. This data type is used for simple flags that track true or false conditions. The Boolean data type specifies 1 bit of information, but its size cannot be defined as per looking at the information what it's providing. So for an example, this is how it provides. Boolean 1, if you put, it displays it as false. Next data type which we are going across is byte data type. The byte data type is an example of primitive data type. It is an 8-bit signed to complement integer. The value range lies between -128 to +127 inclusive, and the minimum value is -128 and maximum value is +127. Its default value is 0. The byte data type is used to save memory in large arrays where the memory saving is must and should required. It saves space, but a byte is 4 times smaller than an integer. It can also be used in place of int data type. So example for byte data type is as follows. Byte A equals 10, byte B equals minus 20. Right. Next coming with one more data type, that is short. Short data type is a 16-bit signed two complement integers. Its value ranges lies between minus 32,768 to plus 32,767 inclusively. The minimum value is minus 32,768 and the maximum value is 32,767. Its default value is 0. The short data type can also be used to save memory just like a byte data type. A short data type is a 2 times smaller than an integer data type. This is how we represent short data type. Okay? Yeah. Next we have integer data type. The integer data type is a 32-bit signed 2 complement integers. Its value ranges lies between it's such a big number, approximately minus 2 to the power of 31 to minus 2 to plus 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. Right. It's inclusively, its minimum value is 214748364 and its maximum value is 214748364. So this information is no need to remember, but you have to remember int occupies 4 bytes of memory. So the integer data type is generally used as a default data type for integral values unless if there is no problem about memory. So this is an example for integer data type. Next data type which we come across is long data type. Long data type is a 64-bit 2 complement integers. Its value lies between such a large number like minus 2 to the power of 63 and plus 2 to the power of 62 inclusively. The minimum value is, even this is a big number, let me just read out the number, please don't note down this anywhere. If required, you can take it as an additional information. Line 223372036854775808 is its minimum value and its maximum value is line 223372036854775807. Its default value is 0. The long data type is used when it needs a range of values more than those provided by integer data type. For an example, you can see over here. So L represents, it's in lakhs. Next we have over here is float data type. The float data type is a single precision 32-bit IEEE 754 floating point. Its value range is unlimited. It is recommended to use float instead of double if you need to save memory in a large array of floating point number. The floating data type should never be used for precision value such as concurrency. Its default value is 0.0f as I have already told. Here is an example for floating point. This is a way it stores internally. Next we have a double data type. Over here, the double data type is used for double precision of 64-bit IEEE 754 floating points. Its value range is unlimited. The double data type is generally used for decimal values just like float. The double data type also should never be used for precision values such as currency. The default value is 0.0d. Example of double is as follows. This is how it gets stored and this is how we declare double data type. Next data type what we have is character data type. Please don't spell it as char, it's character. The character data type is a single 16-bit Unicode character. Its value lies between Unicode 0 to Unicode 65535 inclusively. The character data type is used to store characters. For an example, character of letter A is A. The syntax is pretty simple. A character enclosed within a single code is stored in the is declared using the character data type. So yeah, why characters use 2 byte in Java, and what is Unicode? It is because Java uses Unicode system and not ASCII code system. The Unicode is the lowest range of the Unicode system and gets detailed explanation about Unicode in the upcoming video. Hope you all have understood the concepts taught in this video. If you have liked this video, please click on the thumbs up button. Please do share this video. Your action definitely helps me to grow. Yes, we will be coming with the next video regarding Unicode characters. Keep on watching. Study with Akshay under the playlist of Java programming. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.